Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brittany Washington, and I will be presenting to you my bed and breakfast titled Doppelganger Estates. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get to it. So, as you can see, this is the home page. When you first open the page up, I'm going to click refresh. We have our information page. A little bit about our history. And sorry, because it's doing the in-screen situation, I can't see over here. But doppelganger family history began in the late 1860s after President Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation in 1862, essentially ending slavery. Our family was the first of its generation to be educated, acquire land, and become wealthy. With our newfound freedom, the doppelgangers created a safe haven for freed sisters and brethren. As our great-grandmother doppelganger believed, everyone deserved a warm bed and breakfast before the start of a new day. Generation after generation, the doppelgangers have lived up to their prestige. And so here, we pretty much tell you that we're celebrating 100 years in service and counting. We strive to treat all of our guests as family with various site attractions, including our indoor golfing, swimming, family game nights. We also offer Rise and Shine yoga classes and spiritual classes. So welcome and enjoy your stay. Now, a little bit about this is we have the checking in Q&A. Just in case you ever run into guests who would like to check in early, we provide a little bit of question and answers for them. So what time can guests check in? At all of our states, check-in is at 10 a.m. Can guests check in early? Well, we do love that you want to visit our states early. We prefer you to not check in until the check-in time of 10 a.m. simply because we want to accommodate everyone's experience and ensure that we clean and provide service, to the rooms and things before you arrive. Then it goes into can I arrive prior to my reservation? Again, while we understand you love seeing our faces and you're so excited about your stay with us, we prefer that you come at your available check-in time at 10 a.m. This is because we cannot guarantee early check-in, and again, you can go into details by reading the descriptions below. So then if we scroll to the top, we get into our rooms and reservations. So with designing this, I pretty much used the family's history. So we have Lady Fairchild's quarters, which is, with its rich history, the newly renovated room places your pockets and your mind at ease. Enjoy a king-size bed with luscious pillows, a beautiful view, and privacy. With your own personal bathroom, this room really lives up to its name. The bathroom features a built-in shower seat, instant hot water, a soothing shower head, plus a handheld shower for your personal use. One thing I like about this room is although it keeps its old school aesthetic, it still provides some new modern decor throughout. We also have the Prince Cameron suite. This suite is more cabin-like. It's fit for a prince or a princess. It does have a king-size bed with an adjoining spa. The bathroom, again, has hot water. It has a handheld shower head for accessibility, and it has your own climate control room. Our next suite is the Princess Satori suite, which I love this suite because it comes with its own study room. It comes with a bathroom as well as the living room, and it's on separate bedroom. So this is pretty much like an apartment within a suite. This is one of our more pricier suites. However, it's fit for a prince or a princess. And lastly, we have our single suites. We all understand that sometimes you're not traveling with anyone and sometimes you're just alone and it's you. Well, fear not, because we have rooms just for that. It includes everything: one bed, one dresser, and a desk. This does meet any and everyone's privacy standards. This is great for writers, anyone who needs to get away to clear their mind. If you're a creator, if you do content, this is the perfect suite for you. Other doppelganger rooms in the house is Mother Doppelganger's family room. And this includes our antique style furniture with our drapery. We have a bunch of warm and neutral colors. It is hardwood floors with a mix of industrial vintage decor. It is so nice. It's so comfortable. Mother Doppelganger used to sit and read to her grandchildren and her great-grands in this living room. So this is why I was so excited about making it. So then we get into the eating quarter / bar area. We do have a fully equipped kitchen with stove, refrigerator, and microwave, as well as several other appliances such as Keurig, coffee maker, teapot for our guests in their convenience. This is the bar area is simply my favorite because again, it keeps that antique old style decor with a modern touch. So if we scroll to the top, we're going to go to our special offers. Our special offers are we have daily specials, weekly specials, monthly specials, as well as senior discounts and military discounts. If you stay 2 or more nights, Monday through Thursday only, you receive 10% off. You just click this link to book and it takes you directly to our reservation page so you can pick which room you want and book your appointment. We also have weekly specials which show if you stay 1 week or more at the Doppelganger Estates, you receive 1 night's free stay on your next visit, valued at $155 plus tax. Again, you just click that link and it takes you directly to our reservations page. Takes you directly to the reservations page. We also offer monthly specials. In town longer than expected? No worries. Book your stay with Doppelganger Estates. Stay 10 or more days and receive 4 nights free on your next visit. This is valued at $620 plus tax. Also, if you book May through August, an additional 10% discount is applied. Once again, click that link. It takes you directly to our rooms and reservations for you to go ahead and book. Lastly is our senior and military discount. We do offer a 10% discount to all senior citizens ages 55 and older, and anyone and everyone who's active military or not, veterans included. We believe in giving back to those who serve. Then we get into my favorite, which is the weddings and events. As you can see, we host plenty of events here on our estates. If you're looking to book a luxury wedding at a cheaper price, fear not, because we have over 11,000 square feet of venue available. We do have dining halls, dance halls, outdoor, indoor, you name it, we have it. We offer 3 different types of wedding venues. The Summertime Love venue, which you can say I do in our outdoor wedding venue, designed with romantic hanging lights to create a love-filled atmosphere. Enjoy the secluded flower gardens and the cobblestone walkways. This venue seats 35 to 75 guests, includes cake tasting and 1-hour on-site rehearsal dinner the day of with coordinator. This package deal is at $13.50. Our next would be the Love is in the Air room. The Love is in the Air Love Acre venue. It's perfect for a traditional wedding ceremony, and fear not, in the event of inclement weather, we do have tasteful tents available to ensure you say I do. This is valued at $12,950. It actually seats 300 to 500 guests, includes cake tasting, a delicious menu of over 25 food options, and a 1-hour on-site rehearsal dinner with day of coordinator. Lastly, we have our Meet Us in the Middle venue, located right in the middle of the Doppelganger family estates. Our newly restored vintage barn, established in 1858, is the perfect spot to say your nuptials. Its refined and elegant decor is complemented by mahogany woodwork with an open door or closed door barn option. This does seat 150 to 275 guests. It includes cake tasting, a delicious menu with over 25 food options, an on-site rehearsal dinner with a day of coordinator, and this one is valued at $8,900. We get into our Doppelganger family country cooked meals. And as you know, this is a traditional family Airbnb, and Mother Doppelganger really believed that the breakfast was the most important meal of the day. She believed that no matter what the day brought, everyone deserved to sit down with each other and eat at least one meal together to prepare their day. We do offer various breakfast options. We have baked goods such as pastries, bread, muffin, croissants, bagels, scones. We also have a variety of fruit, grapefruits, bananas, blueberries, raspberry, fresh oranges, strawberries, honeydew melon, and grapes, fresh from our on-site garden. Also, we offer dairy products, an assortment of yogurts, cheeses, milks, and alternative protein options for those who are vegan friendly. The drinks include coffee, teas, hot chocolate, juice, fountain drinks, and Coke products. Our meat selection is sourced from a local butcher. which includes bacon, sausage, ham, steak, fried chicken, salmon, and a tofu option, which is vegan friendly. Additional options include jams, gravies, and spreads. Our lunch and dinner menu are more buffet style. While you can't order room service, again, we believe in the family dynamic, so we enjoy our guests coming together to eat. It includes chicken, pot roast, bourbon street chicken, meatloaf, 5-ounce steak meal, a salmon meal, fried shrimp, grilled chicken, pork kebabs, and so much more. Some of our on-site things to do in the area would be you could explore nature, and if you go to our webpage and click the link, it takes you directly to the Missouri Botanical Gardens, which is a lovely site. We have partnered with them to offer a 15% discount to all of our residents who stay at our facility and want to visit, so please keep that in mind. Also, we have family fun. We've also partnered with Kokomo Joe's. If you're traveling with small children or children who are between the ages of 2 to, I believe they said 15, then this is the perfect place for you. It's a family fun event where you can have events and parties, activities, escape rooms. They even have a cafe and bar. Again, we have partnered with them here at Doppelganger Estates to offer 10% to all our guests. The only thing you have to show at the time of check-in, at the time of your visit would be your hotel check-in slip. Also, we offer family dining. Although we have a buffet here, we also understand that you may want to get out and enjoy a buffet. Golden Corral is a local restaurant here by us, which offers some great foods and services. They even have online ordering for quick and convenience. Lastly, the shopping experience in this area would be the West County Mall, which is located in West County, St. Louis. They offer various stores, shops, eatery, deals, and networking if you're in town for business. So this is great for those traveling. Lastly, our contact us page. Yes, although we're celebrating 100 years of service and counting, we strive to treat any and all of our guests like family with various on-site attractions and things nearby. We can't wait till you come stay with us. So for our contact information, you can contact the manager/operations manager, myself, Brittany Washington. I'm a Lindenwood University student. I can be reached at bmw647@lindenwood.edu or via cell at 636-667-8305. Again, I want to thank any and everyone for watching this presentation. Please understand that I was so nervous doing this. Being self-taught, especially with coding, is something new for me, and I really put my all into this. So although I know it does not have the bells and whistles that some of the other sites may have, I am welcome to feedback. This is one of my more funner projects to do. I'm not even going to lie to you. And I truly appreciate all of the input, especially from the client, being so detailed and descriptive about what they wanted, communicating what they wanted. I hope I was able to reach your satisfaction. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.